Africa, a continent of wild extremes and breathtaking diversity. Its landscapes are as varied as the stories they hold, stretching from sun-baked deserts to lush, tangled forests, and from rolling grasslands to misty mountain peaks. From the Namib Desert's endless sands, where the wind sculpts dunes that seem to go on forever, to the lush Congo jungles, alive with the calls of hidden creatures and the dense canopy that shelters them, every landscape is a survival arena. Here, the environment isn't just a backdrop. It's a force that shapes every life, testing the limits of endurance and ingenuity. Animals must adapt to searing heat, sudden cold, and unpredictable rains. Survival means finding food, water, and shelter in a world where resources can vanish overnight. And safety, each day a new challenge, as predators and prey engage in a never-ending contest of wits and willpower. Every creature is armed with unique adaptations: strength, speed, camouflage, or cunning. Some blend seamlessly into their surroundings, while others rely on teamwork or sheer power. These adaptations are nature's masterpieces, honed over millennia, each one a testament to the relentless drive to survive and thrive. As we journey through Africa, we'll witness epic migrations that span hundreds of miles, silent hunts that unfold in the shadows, and the bonds that hold animal families together. Alliances forged by necessity and affection. This is a world where beauty and brutality walk hand in hand, where every moment is charged with possibility and peril. Every sunrise brings a new test. The first light stirs both hunter and hunted into action. Every sunset, another story in the struggle for life, as the land quiets and the night's dangers awaken. Welcome to Africa's wild arenas, where only the best adapted survive, and every day is a battle for existence. The drama of life here is relentless, raw, and utterly magnificent, a spectacle of nature's power and resilience that never ceases to inspire awe. The Serengeti's Great Migration is nature's grandest spectacle, a breathtaking display of endurance and instinct that unfolds every year across the vast African plains. Over 1 million wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles move in a relentless search for food and water, driven by ancient rhythms and the promise of survival. Their hooves thunder across the grasslands, stirring up clouds of dust as they press onward, never pausing for long. Their journey is a 1,000-mile gauntlet, shadowed by lions, cheetahs, and hyenas. These predators follow the herds, ever watchful, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Predators test the herd's weakest, turning the plains into a living battlefield where only the fittest survive. Every chase is a test of speed, strength, and cunning. The Mara River crossing is the ultimate trial: steep banks, churning water, and lurking Nile crocodiles. Here, the river becomes a barrier between life and death, a place where danger waits beneath the surface. As the herd leaps, chaos erupts. Survival is a matter of luck and strength. The water churns with panic, and every crossing is a desperate gamble for survival. Those who make it continue the journey, shaping the ecosystem as they go. Their passage leaves trails, fertilizes the soil, and influences the lives of countless other species. The migration feeds predators and scavengers, fertilizes the land, and keeps the Serengeti in balance. Every life lost sustains another, and the cycle of life continues. It's a moving river of life and death. The migration is both a journey and a struggle, a testament to the resilience of nature. Predator and prey are locked in a cycle that sustains the wild, each dependent on the other for survival in this ancient dance. Here, survival is never guaranteed. Every animal must remain alert, every sense attuned to the ever-present threat of danger. The fate of thousands hangs in the balance with every crossing. Each decision, each leap, can mean the difference between life and death. This is Africa's most dramatic arena, where the story of life and death is written anew with every passing season. In the heart of the vast Kalahari, where endless sands stretch to the horizon, the Okavango Delta blooms, a true miracle of water in a parched desert. Here, A river defies the odds, spilling its life-giving waters into the thirsty land, creating a lush oasis that seems almost impossible in such an arid world. Each year, distant rains send floodwaters surging into the delta, transforming dry sands into a vibrant, ever-changing maze of lagoons, channels, and islands. What was once barren becomes a tapestry of green, teeming with life. Animals must adapt to a world that changes with every season. As the waters rise and fall, herds migrate, birds nest, and predators adjust their strategies, all in response to the shifting landscape. The elusive Sitatunga antelope thrives in the marshes, its splayed hooves perfectly evolved for moving across soft, muddy ground. It glides through reeds and water, rarely venturing onto dry land. Even the mighty lions here have learned to hunt in water, stalking their prey through flooded grasslands and shallow pools, a rare skill among their kind. Predators and prey alike must evolve new behaviors to survive. Elephants use their trunks to sense the depth of water, while lechwe antelope leap effortlessly across flooded channels, always alert to danger. Beneath the surface, tigerfish hunt with astonishing speed and ferocity, their silver bodies flashing as they chase down smaller fish in the clear delta waters. Above, fish eagles soar and dive with precision, snatching their catch from the river in a breathtaking display of skill. Life here is a constant dance with water, sometimes a precious refuge, sometimes a dangerous trap. Animals must always be wary, for the same waters that sustain them can also cut off escape. The Okavango is a stage of shifting fortunes where only the adaptable endure. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, must read the rhythms of the flood to survive. In this oasis, survival is written by the rise and fall of the flood. A timeless story of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of nature. The Kalahari is a land of extremes, scorching days, freezing nights, and precious little water. Here, survival demands ingenuity. Meerkats form tight-knit mobs, sharing duties and watching for danger as they forage. The gemsbok antelope survives weeks without drinking, cooling its brain to endure the heat. Even predators like the brown hyena are specialists, scavenging what others leave behind. Every drop and morsel is hard-won. Nothing is wasted. Every creature plays a role in this economy of scarcity. Adaptation is the only way to survive. In the Kalahari, resilience is everything. Only the true masters of scarcity thrive. The Congo Basin is a world of shadows and secrets. Dense rainforest creates a vertical maze where life thrives from the soil to the treetops. The okapi, with its striped camouflage, moves unseen on the forest floor, while colobus monkeys leap through the canopy, feasting on toxic leaves others can't digest. Forest elephants carve trails and spread seeds, shaping the jungle for generations. Every layer of the forest is a battleground for light, food, and space. Survival here means blending in, adapting, and sometimes vanishing from sight. The Congo's hidden world is a testament to evolution's creativity. In this shadowed realm, the rarest secrets are often the most vital. Predator and prey, Africa's eternal contest. Lions hunt in teams, using strategy and strength to bring down massive prey. Leopards rely on stealth, ambushing victims and hauling them into trees for safety. Cheetahs are built for speed, chasing down targets in explosive sprints. Each predator has its own deadly art, perfected over generations. The hunt is a test of skill, patience, and timing. Success means survival, failure means hunger. These apex hunters shape the entire ecosystem. Every hunt is a drama of life and death. In Africa, the art of the hunt is a masterpiece of adaptation. Africa's giants fight a different battle, one of endurance and scale. Elephants, the largest land animals, roam vast distances for food and water, guided by the wisdom of their matriarchs. Giraffes use their height to reach leaves no other can, but must risk awkward vulnerability to drink. Rhinos, armored and powerful, graze and browse, but face their greatest threat from poachers, not predators. These giants shape the land, creating habitats for countless others. Their survival is now a race against human pressures. The struggle is no longer just with nature, but with the modern world. The fate of these titans hangs in the balance. Their endurance is a symbol of Africa's wild heart. Africa's smallest creatures fight battles as fierce as any lion. Dung beetles recycle waste, keeping the savanna healthy. Chameleons blend in, striking with lightning-fast tongues. Hoverflies mimic wasps to avoid predators. Even in the Namib Desert, the darkling beetle harvests water from fog, surviving where rain never falls. These tiny innovators are vital to the ecosystem. Every adaptation, no matter how small, is a triumph of survival. The miniature world is a foundation for all life here. In Africa, even the smallest players matter. Africa's wild arenas are under threat. Expanding human populations, habitat loss, and poaching push wildlife to the brink. Ancient migrations are blocked, and iconic species face extinction. Conservation offers hope. Parks, rangers, scientists, and communities working together. Protecting these lands means safeguarding a living legacy of evolution and wonder. The future of Africa's wildlife depends on urgent action. Every creature, from elephant to beetle, is part of a delicate web. To lose them would be to silence one of nature's greatest stories. The battle for survival is now ours to fight. Africa's arenas must endure, for the world and for generations to come.